Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to allow alarms to be active while our Do Not Disturb mode is on in Motorola Edge 15 Neo phone. So where to look for this option and how to change our Do Not Disturb mode. First of all, we need to access settings. Then in settings we are looking for sound and vibration menu. Next at the top, do not disturb. And here we have alarms and other interruptions. When we open the options here, we have a few things that we can change. For example, as you can see here, we have our alarms. And when this option is on, our alarms will be active while our do not disturb mode is on. And that's basically it. So I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Bye.